Good day. We're going to look at a series of blogs and GitHub code that Mel Meng, my coworker at Innovice, or Autodesk Innovice, has made about force mains inside of a lot of our software. So we click on this and we're going to talk about XP-SWMM, SWMM5, InfoWorks ICM, and also the SWMM5 network inside of ICM. All right. He also has a nice quote here. So Mel does a really good job of doing videos, and this one's like really interesting because it shows you how to model force main friction factors for a lot of our different software. So go to his LinkedIn profile, click on modeling force mains, and it brings us right to a GitHub article. So you click there, you get to the GitHub, and he actually has the code, the Python code, friction code to run the models, and he actually has the document inside here. So he has a README markdown file that you can take a look at, and essentially shows you what's in the medium file. All right, so back to medium here. It does a really good job of showing what Manning's equation is, Hayes and Williams. Darcy Weisbach does a simple model, shows you how to run that, shows you how to run it in SWMM5, ICM SWMM, which is the SWMM5 network inside of InfoWorks ICM, gravity pipes, Hayes and Williams more. Then down here he goes to ICM, shows about the solution models in ICM. And ICM is pretty complicated because you can have full pressure force main solution models that use Manning's equation, or use Hayes and Williams if you have force main. So he'll do an example here and compare that. So it's all really kind of cool and very well done by Mel, who normally has really good files. So let's click on clap here since he did such a great job. So that's basically it about force mains from Mel's file. So thank you.